Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to unlink captions from a video. Also, if you're new to CapCut or you just want to make a new account, you can use my link from the description below and you will get a small discount. So as you can see, this video has auto-generated captions. So let's say that I want to delete this part of the video, but still retain these captions above. So when I press delete, the captions are also deleted. So the way you can fix this is just by going here to turn off auto linkage. If I turn it off and then I mark this and press delete, as you can see the captions are still here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.